Have you ever heard of an instrument so strange it was blamed for driving people mad? In 1761, Benjamin Franklin invented the glass harmonica, an ethereal device made of spinning glass bowls. Its haunting, otherworldly tones mesmerized audiences, including Mozart and Marie Antoinette. But soon, rumors spread that its vibrations caused madness, nervous disorders, and even death. Some cities banned public performances. Though nearly forgotten today, Franklin's invention remains one of history's most mysterious and controversial creations.